So I've got a lovely piece here of salmon, like salmon fillet, skin is on. We're going to cook this in a really, really simple way, just with some oil, butter, and some lime or lemon juice. I'm actually using lime juice. This is very, very easy. It is very tasty and juicy. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's get started on this. I've got a lovely fillet of salmon there. I'll turn it over. I've got the skin on. Sometimes you're going to get it without the skin. Try and get the skin. I think that's beautiful. Very simply, we're going to go to the cooker and cook this in a very, very simple manner. So here I've got a pan and I've got some olive oil in there. To that I'm going to add butter. This is an unsalted butter, by the way. In that goes. And I'm just simply going to gently melt that down. Back in a moment. Okay. Now the reason I've mixed oil and butter is if you just put butter in, it can burn quite easy. The oil just prevents it from burning. What we're going to do is skin side down. Let's get that beautiful piece of fish in there. Add some salt, add some black pepper, and on a medium heat, I just want to go for about 5 minutes. What's going to happen is we want to get that bottom or the skin side nice and crispy. And you can see already, I don't know if you can actually see that, I'll push that there. Can you see it's changing colour at the bottom from that kind of bright red to a kind of more whitish colour or magnolia? We want that to raise up a little bit. A few more bits and pieces to do to this, but it is very simple and delicious. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a little blackening there. That's the butter that's burning away. Now I've not turned this over and we're not going to turn this over. We're going to cook it just like this. Now that reddishness of the salmon is pretty much gone now. We're only kind of a few millimeters. That means it's cooking up there. Next up, we're going to add lemon or lime juice. It's up to you. Here we go. In it goes. And some zest. Turn the heat down to just above a simmer. Pop a lid on that. And then the steaming of it is going to cook the rest of the fish. It's probably that size, because it's quite a big piece. That's going to take about another 5 or 6 minutes. Off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Bit of steam out there for you. And that is absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do, we're going to get that on a nice plate of salad. Okay, let's get this out. Get that on there. Wow, wow, wow. Now that skin underneath is going to be nicely blackened, which I love. We're just going to get a few spoonfuls of our lemon butter now. On that goes. And you can see I've just serving this with some lettuce and some roast vegetables that I had earlier. I'm going to go for a little bit more of the lemon or lime zest. I'm actually using lime. And that's it. I think that is a wonderful, beautiful, lovely, super, fantastic. I've run out of words. I'm a bit stupid. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll speak to you soon. Lots of love.